In today's video, I'll show you how to download Google Chrome on a Windows 10 computer step by step, even if you've never downloaded software before. First, you'll need a web browser that's already on your computer. Most Windows 10 PCs come with Microsoft Edge, but you can also use another browser like Firefox if that's what you have. Go ahead and open your browser. Next, click on the address bar at the top of the screen and type in Google Chrome's official website. Make sure you're visiting the real site to avoid fake downloads or security risks. Once the page loads, you'll see a clear button to download Chrome. Click on it. After clicking Download, your browser will start downloading a small setup file. This usually takes just a moment. When the download is finished, look at the bottom of your browser window or open your Downloads folder and file. Now, double-click the downloader file to begin the setup. Windows may ask if you want to allow this app to make changes to your device. This is normal. Finally, it's a good idea to keep Chrome updated so you get the latest features and security improvements. Chrome usually updates itself automatically, so you don't have to worry about that. And that's how you download Google Chrome on Windows 10. Share this video and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.